And the big breaking that's coming in right now, BJP to take the media inside Kejriwal's palace. Delhi Minister Parvesh Sahib Singh says we are heading to the Sheesh Mahal now. We will show you what is there inside. Now that's the big news that's coming in. BJP now extending an invitation to media to take them inside the so-called Sheesh Mahal for an inspection. And Pravesh Verma speaking to the media and telling them that it is going to be open now to the media workers. They can have a look for themselves how this palatial Sheesh Mahal has been made and how much money has been spent, the money that belongs to the people of Delhi. That's the big news that's coming in. Now, ever since that issue of Sheesh Mahal was rigged by the BJP, you've seen videos of Kejriwal's residents surfing and coming out. BJP has itself put out many videos of the so-called Sheesh Mahal, and now the BJP inviting the media to go inside Kejriwal's residence. So now that's the big news that's coming in. BJP to take the media inside Kejriwal's residence and BJP to hold a Sheesh Mahal tour. Sheesh Mahal tour ahead of the CAG report. Please have a look at it in the context of the CAG report, which will be tabled tomorrow. Now, before the report comes in, this is what the BJP has planned. The BJP is inviting the media inside Kejriwal's residence, videos of which have been on social media, have been put out by the BJP. And now BJP taking the media for a tour, for a Sheesh Mahal tour. Now, Parvesh Verma has escalated this issue of Sheesh Mahal because he's now invited the media to come to Kejriwal's residence and see for themselves what's inside. Now, before the CAG report to be tabled tomorrow, this will be a Sheesh Mahal tour inside Kejriwal's residence. Joined by Harsha on the phone line. Harsha, now this is big and BJP making sure that the Sheesh Mahal issue stays alive and more so a day before the CAG report to be tabled.
Yes, you rightly pointed out, tomorrow likely the CAG report will be tabled, but this massive, as we got to know that Pravesh Verma has already reached civil lines, and in some time now we'll see the visuals of inside, we'll see the visuals of Sheesh Mahal, because Sheesh Mahal, which BJP busted at Aam Aadmi Party government and Arvind Kejriwal for making a museum in his house by spending crores and crores of money in furniture, in washroom, in the curtain, and everywhere in the house, which was called CM Flagship's house. In that house, particularly CM Flagstaff Road, a lot of money was spent in the renovation, and how that bungalow was completely transformed. This was the entire issue during election as well. But now we are seeing that Pravesh Verma will be taking media person inside and will be showcasing that how much was the gravity of the money which was spent in the renovation by Arvind Kejriwal, making it a massive palace-like structure of the normal Flagstaff house of the CM, which was allotted. And that is the reason why BJP also pledged during its campaign that the new CM will not be residing in the Flagstaff house of the Chief Minister. Rather, she will be staying in some other accommodation. This right now, what we have got to know is Pravesh Verma is already, anytime now, the doors, the locks of that house will be opened, and the entire media will be getting the first look of exactly Sheesh Mahal and how the crores of money was spent in this house. Back to you.
Right, as you're saying, they are calling it the Sheesh Mahal tour. That is what Pravesh Verma said. Now just listen in to what the minister had to say before he invited the media.
मेरा कहना है कि सारे क्वेश्चन ले लीजिए, जितने भी लेने हैं सारे ले लीजिएगा, है ना। और फिर आपको इसके बाद में अभी हम चल रहे हैं, आपको शीश महल दिखा के आते हैं, ठीक है। ये जो आपदा वाले लोग हैं, इनका ये काम है कि दिल्ली में कोई विकास नहीं करना। इनको 10 साल का समय मिला और इन्होंने दिल्ली को बद से बदतर कर दिया। आज भी इन्होंने हाउस की गरिमा को खराब किया। आपदा पार्टी वाले ये केवल आपदा फैलाने का ही काम करते हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि दिल्ली में यमुना माँ को अच्छा करें, साफ करें, उसको निर्मल करें, दिल्ली में सारी महिलाओं को पैसा मिले, हमारे सारे मैनिफेस्टो के कामों को पूरा करें। जो आतिशी जी हैं, 8 तारीख को आप सबने उनका वीडियो देखा था ना कितनी खुश हो रही थी, क्योंकि केजरीवाल जी हार गए थे, पूरी आम आदमी पार्टी हार गई थी। एक जो है करंट सीएम, उनकी पार्टी हार जाए, उनका सीएम हार जाए, उनका डिप्टी सीएम हार जाए, सारा मंत्रिमंडल हार जाए, और सीएम कैसे उछल रही थी, कर रही थी, कितना खुश हो रही थी। तो इसलिए वो आज भी बहुत खुश हैं कि इस हाउस में अभी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी नहीं हैं, इस हाउस में मनीष सिसोदिया जी नहीं हैं, इस हाउस में जो है सौरभ भारद्वाज नहीं है, सत्येंद्र जैन नहीं है। आतिशी जी इतना खुश हैं, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता हूँ सर।
So Pravesh Verma, they're saying that this will be a tour for the media inside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. That visual that you're seeing on your screen, those visuals have been put out by the BJP, and repeatedly BJP has been speaking about the money spent, the kind of corruption that was meted out by the Aam Aadmi Party. And we will come back to this story, but